Hi folks, Tom from 112 Auto Sales. Today I'd like to show you some video on a 2006 Ford Escape that we got in. It's got 80,000 miles on it. It's a light green with a gray cloth interior, and it's part of our in-house financing program known as Buy Here, Pay Here. If you have any interest in it, please call us at 475-5980. It's really clean, folks. Tires are in excellent shape. Six-place CD changer. Back is clean. The roof liner is clean, which you don't get all the time, especially vehicles this age. So it's in good shape. We're here 7 days a week. We've got a lender on premise that wants to do deals. Your job is your credit here at 112 Auto Sales. Come on down, give us a shot. I know we'll make you happy. Call us at 631-475-5980. And we'll be happy to set you up on a test drive.